Hello everybody and welcome to our quick skin brushing tutorial. My name is Andrea and this is my beautiful model Leslie. Hello Leslie from her bathroom. We wanted to very quickly talk to you about beautiful health benefits of skin brushing because it's just so important, ideally on an everyday basis. And I'm going to very briefly explain to you what are the benefits of the skin brushing, what does it do, how should we do it, and then we're going to get our beautiful Leslie to show you with my instructions in her beautiful bathroom. So what is skin brushing? Skin brushing is an ancient technique that people have been using for absolutely centuries. It is actually down to Ayurveda recommended to do every single day, ideally in the morning, and you use skin brush that looks about this. Leslie's got one as well. We've got a slightly different one. However, just before I explain any more, I would definitely say if you are going to get one of these beauties, make sure the bristles are relatively hard. If you're going to get a brush that's really nice and soft, it's not really going to make much of an effort on your skin. So it needs to be hard. This is actually a cactus bristle. It sounds horrendous, but they're not as hard as cactus. And you always use it dry. I will get to in the morning. So what does it do? The benefits of this are absolutely incredible. It improves the skin texture. It also is stress relieving. It increases the lymphatic drainage. It basically, due to increasing the circulation and kicking the lymphatic drainage into action, it obviously makes your skin feel better, looks better, improves the texture, useful looking skin, and potentially also getting rid of the cellulite, which is what we want, eh, girls? Certainly do. It also exfoliates, which is my main reason why I do this pretty much every single day. I have really dry skin, and by using one of these, it removes the dead skin cells that are literally at the surface and make them look really good. And then when applying some beautiful body products afterwards, you will really do your skin a massive favor. It also unclogs the pores, which is great. Obviously, the bags a lot of the times get congested. So if you have someone at home who can help you to do this, it gets rid of all of the dirt as such, unclogs the pores, and then you don't get the pimples on the back as well. So that's really good. And of course, improves the detoxification process. And at the same time, improve the immunity, boost the immunity functions. So if you have any questions at all, do let us know. We'll be more than happy to answer. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a beautiful Leslie to show you what you do. So you take the brush, either exactly how she's got it or just hold it as it is, and you start at the bottom of your body. So you start with your feet. And the rule is, and a simple rule as it is, you start from the bottom and you go up, and whatever area of the body you do, you go always towards the heart. So if you remember that, that's all you need to remember. So beautiful. If you can, just start at the bottom of your feet. You can go top of your foot and then go up. You can do it either in the strokes or you can do it in the circular movements. The choice is entirely up to you. And then when you get to your thighs, as Leslie hasn't, but as most of us do, you can get the little fatty deposits and cellulite. You can really give it a go. Yeah, you can really get in circular movements, increase the circulation. You will see it. It will get the blood going and the skin will turn red. The rule is you should feel it, but not so it hurts. Please guys, don't get like crazy. It shouldn't hurt. And then when you're happy with it, you do the other leg exactly the same way. Ideally, you need to do it either on a bathroom floor, as Leslie is, because obviously the dead skin particles will fall down, or I actually do it in my bath, standing in the bath, so everything falls down in the bath, and then I have a shower afterwards. Also, please don't do this in the evening, guys. This is really an exercise for beautiful body to do in the morning because it's so invigorating. You might not be able to go to sleep. So morning, and then ideally if you can do like a colderish shower afterwards, that's even better. Amazing. Thank you for the Okay, thank you for the demonstration. You can turn into your tummy if you wish. I don't always do it, but again, if somebody has a little bit of a fatty deposits and you want it to get moving, circular movements around your tummy in a clockwise direction, kind of going along with your colon, so you help that as well. And you can stroke it with your other hand as well if you find it that might be a little bit too sharp. And then when you're happy with that, you go to your arms. And you get your arms going again from the hand towards your shoulder, so going upwards. And I also do, because I'm getting a little bit older, if we got a little bit of a deposits down here, go for it, brush it, either strokes or circle movements. Absolutely perfect and beautiful. Excellent. And then you just do the other arm. Please do not use this brush on your face. This is not a technique to use on a face tool. So just your body. Once you're happy with it, then jump in the shower, have a shower and wash it all off. For potentially additional effect, what you can do, you can add aromatherapy oil. We do have this beautiful oil, which is a detox oil. You can actually put it on the brush and use it. It's formulated with the grapeseed oil and support collagen and firmness, which is beautiful. However, you do have to then wash it and potentially spray with aromatherapy oils afterwards just to clean it. So just to say that. And when you finish, thank you so much. We're not going to watch you having the shower. So let's pretend you had the shower. And then ideally you need to apply something that will nourish the skin again. I do love the combo of our detox range, which is our lotion, rescue and renew, and the oil. Mix and match them together and use them. If you haven't got it, which Leslie haven't got it on her at this moment in time, you use any body butter. Yes, this one is beautiful. That's our Christmas range. So any body butter, just to add that additional nourishment and hydration into the skin and really go for it. Put it on, really lather it on, massage it in, allow it to dry, and then get dressed. So you feel absolutely beautiful, self-hydrated and invigorated.
If I'm putting this moisturiser on, is it better to put it on in a circular motion as well, or is there not a particular technique for putting this on?
For the moisturiser, you literally do whatever you are happy with, whatever you like, and however you're comfortable, but massaging until it pretty much disappears, so it doesn't sit on the skin like this one. When you put it on, because it's white, you can see it's white, so you basically just massage it in until it disappears. That's pretty much the rule that you need to do. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit white, so you literally just keep going. But because the products from our one are so beautiful and they're so easily absorbable, you really don't need to do it very long at all, do you? Here we go. Gone. I did borrow a moisturizer from someone and I was there forever in the bathroom trying to massage it. So that's basically, yeah, amazing. That's what you need to do. And the skin then really nicely absorb it. And obviously as you increase the circulation and everything is going beautifully, it absorbs it much quicker as well. So the effects are even better. But if you use something like oil, because it absorbs deeper into the skin and into the bloodstream, again, it will kick that detoxification process. So this one would be amazing. And then very quickly, how do you look after this? Please do always use it dry. Don't ever use it wet. Loads of them, because they're natural, they can go moldy. So they need to be used dry. You can, as I said, spray it either with aromatherapy oil. Afterwards, ideally something like a lavender or lemon or tea tree or something that might have a little bit of antiseptic properties. Yeah, brilliant. And then occasionally, and pretty much the rule is, you would wash this as often as you would wash makeup brushes. So once a week would be amazing. Obviously, if you use this every day, at least once a week, that would be good. And then you leave it to dry, facing the bristles upwards. So somewhere on the side in your bathroom, you allow it to dry. And that's it. You can go off and do it again.
It's so simple, isn't it, really? I think, you know, we hear of body brushing and we think, oh my goodness, it's going to be like, because you go to a beauty therapist for it, it's going to be quite tricky, but it's actually quite something simple to do at home, isn't it? So
very. Very,
Yeah.
and it takes no time at all. Now I do like whiz around my body, and literally in a minute you covered your body. So, and obviously the effects are so incredible. So yeah, if you can add that in, get yourself one of these, add it into your routine. It's probably the quickest, most effective result treatment that you can do for yourself. You really feel it almost immediately. My skin texture, literally not even a week, felt amazing. I've got a little bit like a pimply skin. I do have a little problem with lymphatic drainage, so this is absolutely incredible for me. My skin on my legs felt beautiful, literally in 1 week. It's fantastic.
So good, isn't it? And like, and the thing with the Arbonne products as well, like the moisturisers and the oils, is you only really need a small amount. It just
Definitely.
a little bit goes so far. So doing it daily, obviously, you're going to need moisturiser or oil daily. And so having just the Arbonne products, which are so beautiful, and you know, to just have that small amount to make a big difference to us is amazing.
Yes, definitely. I think a lot of people a little bit underestimate the skin as such. It's our biggest organ. It's still an organ, and we do need to look after it. And I think so many people don't give it as much as it should get. So just adding something like this into your body care routine would be incredible. So yeah, definitely.
Brilliant.
Definitely.
So hope you'll all have a go at the body brushing. It is great. I feel like alive. It's brilliant and tingly.
Get you going. Amazing. So if you'd have any questions at all, do let us know. Make a comment. We'll be more than happy to answer. And enjoy the skin brushing once you get yourself one.
Thank you, Andrea, for your instruction. That was great. Thank you.
Thank you for the modeling. Have a beautiful rest of the day, everyone. See you later. Bye.